Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to draw this simple shape by using Solidworks. First of all, open Solidworks, then choose File, New, and choose Part. Click on top plane and create sketch. Now choose center rectangle and let's create a rectangle 2436 long. After that, click on OK, then choose Feature and Extrude Base. Extrude Base by 56 mm and choose OK. We choose this face and let's create another sketch. Normal to draw a rectangle, but now with a corner rectangle with dimensions 8 mm and 30 mm, and from here to this line is 14 mm, and from this horizontal line to this horizontal line is same 8 mm. Now press OK and go to Feature and Extrude Cut. Extrude Cut, you can extrude cut by drag this arrow or by choose up to next or through all and then click OK. Now I made a hole inside this box. Now choose this face and create another sketch. Now click normal to, then go and choose corner rectangle and create a rectangle from here to down here with dimension from here to this one 10 mm. Now go to Feature and Extrude Cut by 424 minus 12 mm and click OK. So this is our model. Now let's specify a nice color. Click on Part, then go to Edit Appearance and choose the color that you like. Let me choose this and click OK. So here's our drawing. You can save your model by choose File, then Save As, and then name it any name you like, and choose the place that you want to save your model. Press Save. I hope you like this lesson. Thanks for watching and bye.